Hi class, in this video I will show you how to add a folder to your drive so that you can see and comment on other student papers. I will also show you how to move a document that you've created on Google Drive onto the folder so that other students can see your paper as well as comment on yours. And I will finally show you how to comment on each other's papers. Hopefully this video will finally solve all the confusion that we've had as we've struggled up this steep technological learning curve. I thank everyone for their patience as we sort out these issues, and I want to point out that no one will be penalized for delays or inabilities to get papers up as we go through this process. As the semester goes along, this will get smoother, and we will start to be able to do this without ever really having to think about it. Okay, so what you see here is my Google Drive. This is my own personal email, and therefore I've shared some things from my school account so that I can show you how this works. Now, when I go into my drive, in order to find things that have been shared with me, I want to look over here on the left and look for shared with me. If I select that, this brings me to this page. You can see here, this symbol here looks like a folder with a person in it, are shared folders. Now I can see what's in there, but in order for me to add things to it, I'm going to have to add this folder to my drive. To do so, select the folder. And notice I put a check mark into the box next to the name. And that has opened up some options here toward the top. One of those is Add to my drive. If I select Add to my drive, this folder, Descriptive Papers, has been added to my drive. I can now add papers to it and see papers that are in there. Now, in order to move a document into this folder, go back to my drive. I find a paper I've written. This is just a test paper. I select this paper. Or I can select this paper. You can also do this by right-clicking. And I choose this button up here, Move To. And notice it gives me some options. I'm going to choose, this is a test folder. I choose the Descriptive Papers. I hit Move. Now, Descriptive Papers, the paper that I've written has been moved to this new folder that I have. So if I open this folder, I will see my description paper. Next, how to actually comment on these papers. In order to comment on the paper, you will go ahead and select the paper, and for ease of here, I'm just going to bring it up here. Open the paper. This is my test paper that I've written. In order to make a comment, I need to highlight something in the paper and then move to the upper right corner and choose Comments. And I can write a comment here. Need a period at the end of this sentence. It's very important that when you're done writing your comment, you hit the comment button. Now that comment can be seen by anybody else who accesses this paper. Just want to point out that what you're looking for when you go to your shared files, you should see, go back to shared with me, you should see this folder, English 101 Fall 13 SICTers. If you choose that folder, under it you will find Description Papers. Inside Description Papers are all of the student papers that have been shared with me thus far. So go ahead, find two papers. I noticed that a lot of people have already begun this exercise and the comments look good so far. Thank you very much. For those of you who haven't started, go ahead and find some papers that your fellow students haven't commented on and get to work. Once again, if you have any questions or problems, just email me at jeffrey.sichters@maine.edu and I will get right on it. Happy commenting.